in fulfillment of its promise to stand with those affected, ensuring intervention goes beyond emergency response to sustained relief and recovery.
So we're trying to make sure that whatever we can do immediately, we have to do it quickly. While we now put both a short, medium, long-term structure in place to mitigate the situation completely.
From financial assistance to bereaved families to care of displaced residents in temporary shelters established for victims, dozens of families continue to receive care as they hope for permanent solutions.
We are just here because the governor believes that what they have faced, the disaster that we've recorded, the highest is human life lost. So he has made available some funds so that they can hold on that for now.
The Director General SEMA, Efa Nyong, gives insight to the resettlement through a coordinated response involving relevant government agencies and humanitarian partners. Government agencies and humanitarian partners. For this involving relevant partners. For this 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 for the survivors, they cannot thank government enough for the care as they look forward beyond temporal assistance. For the care as they look forward beyond temporal assistance. Enough for the care as they look for assistance. Care as they look for assistance. Care as they look for assistance. Sunday Ina, CRBC News.